Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete pins in Pinterest. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. And over here at the top, make sure you're on the pins section. So over here, these are all the pictures which I have pinned on my profile. And let's say I want to delete one of the pin. I can click on one of the picture and click on the three dot right at the top of the picture and click on where it says edit pin. Once I click on edit pin, you can see the option called delete this pin. Click on it, click on delete. Once you do that, the pin will be deleted, which means it is going to be unpinned and it is going to be removed from your Pinterest account. Now, if you want to delete the pin which you created, which means the picture which you upload on Pinterest, it is called pin. So let's say you uploaded a pin and you wanted to delete that. For that, you need to click on created by you at the top and then choose the picture you want to unpin. Click on the three dot at the top right of the picture. Click on over here where it says edit pin, and at the bottom left corner you will see the dustbin icon. Click on it, click on delete, and the pin which you uploaded will be deleted from Pinterest. So that is how we guys can delete pins in Pinterest. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.